This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by backing up your important data to Google Drive or a computer. Use the built-in backup settings and confirm photos, contacts, and app data are included. Charge the battery to at least 50% or plug into power before you begin the update process. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid mobile data charges and reduce failure risk. Note available storage and free up at least 2 GB if the update requires extra space. Keep your device accessible during the process to respond to prompts. Open Settings, then go to System and tap System Update to check manually. If an official update appears, read the release notes and compatibility warnings first. Tap Download and Install to begin. The phone will download files over Wi-Fi. The device may verify the package and request a restart when ready to apply the update. Do not interrupt the process or remove the battery during installation. Wait while the phone reboots and optimizes apps until you see the lock screen again. After the phone restarts, go to Settings and About Phone to confirm the version. Verify the Android build number and security patch date match the update notes. Open Google Play and update your apps to ensure compatibility with the new system. Test key functions like calling, SMS, camera, and Wi-Fi to catch issues early. Review privacy and permission settings in case defaults changed after the update. If you backed up data, restore any missing content and clear caches if performance seems slow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.